Those first few questions help you decipher the problem. You don't really need to answer those first few. What you really need to do is be able to decipher it to fill in the linear programming chart. Let's do that. I find the beginning questions help me in filling in the chart. If you can fill in the chart without that works. What I've boxed around with my pink highlighter, those are the recipes. I'm going to highlight that question and put a little arrow that way. So the food kit, the weight is 20 pounds and the volume is 1 cubic foot. The medicine kit, the weight is 10 pounds and the volume is 1 cubic foot. The limits on the resources, let's put this in orange, that's my resources. For the weight, 50,000 pounds, and the cubic feet, 4,000 cubic feet. How many people are helped? There will be my objective function. That's the objective function question right there. With the food kit, 8 people are helped, and with the medicine kit, 6 people are helped. We do not know how many of each kit to send, so we will call that X. X, or at least X for the food. I'll put X down the column for food. Y number of medical kits. So put Y down that column for medical kits. To get the constraints, we're going to read these lines straight across, and to get the objective function. 20x plus 10y is less than or equal to 50,000. The weight of the food plus the weight of the medicine has to be less than or equal to the total weight the airplane can hold. For the cubic feet, I'll read that straight across. 1x plus 1y is less than or equal to 4,000. You don't have to write the ones. I did, but you could just write x plus y. 1x plus 1y is less than or equal to 4,000. Again, the amount of space in the airplane we have at our disposal is represented by that inequality. For the number of people helped, I'll go ahead and use a z. We'll add these two together. Z equals 8x plus 6y. From here, I need to graph the constraints. I need to find the x and y intercepts. I need to find the intersection point, find the feasible region, find the corner points, plug them into the objective function, and find which one gives me the most number of people helped.